Hey y'all, welcome back to my video. If you're new here, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this makeup tutorial.
It's been a minute, oh you know I'm missing, not afraid to admit it. Say you need a time, but you know I wasn't with it. We won't know what time, just me you more. Now that's none of my business, in my emotions. Going through these photos while I go through the motions. Going through these texts so I can live in the moments. Never having closure is the reason I'm open. Maybe I'm open. Times are different, that's not why you descend. Tell me different. On my mind, can't get it off my mind. On my mind, can't get it off my mind. I know I'm out, but somehow I'm still in it. Just know I feel away, cause I know you still in it. It's in my mind, it ain't over, though it's over. Oh no, it's been a minute. Wait, I was gonna hit you, but I'm glad I ain't said it. Just now I hear you talking about how we ended. Everything I said and done, you know that I meant it. Yes, you know that I meant it. Say what you won't say, cause I feel the same way. Say what you won't say, doesn't matter anyway, no. Times are different, that's not why you distant. Tell me different. On my mind, can't get it off my mind. I can't get it off my mind. On my mind, can't get it off my mind. You all the time. No, I'm out, but somehow I'm still in it. Just know I feel away, cause I know you still in it. It's in my mind, it ain't over, though it's over. No, no.
Don't play with her, don't be this silence, ay. Still not understanding this logic, ay. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Gonna let somebody some next up. Be damned if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fit up. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say you've been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up the skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shouting, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for a girl, just say
Spit fire in the world so cold. Young money got a nigga feeling old. Spit
If y'all like this look, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.